Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to see, like, let's say if I select any a single month here, let's say if I select August, so I should be looking into 6 months back to August, including and 2 months after the August. So let's say if I select any date, particular date in a filter, so I should able to get a range of dates. So instead of having whole everything on the chart. So let's say, for example, if I'm just selecting, let's say I've selected the October. So October, uh, if we go from October back to 6 months, it will be May, and the 2 months, then it should be December. So how we can create this kind of a graph where if we select something on a chart, something on a sorry the date selected 6 months before and 2 months after, and this is a very common problem that actually I have seen in the community right now in Power BI community that regularly has been asked. So I just thought that I can prepare a video on this, and it might be helpful for someone who is working on this. So let's get started and how it can be created for these things. So for this, I have actually already created the date filter, and it's have select as a single selected. You can also have the multi-selected, and you can use the value as some, let's say if two values are selected, then it should display two. If only single selected, then you can have this. So I've just taken as first gone with the single selection. That is easy to show, and based on your problem statement, you can also like use this thing. So I'm just visual products to make it look better. So you can see that we have the 2 years of data. Now what I need, so I need a measure that actually filters out for my desired range with respect to my selected date. So I have already, like, I just created a dummy for this, and for this I will start from the scratch how it can be done. So first we need the selection. So for selection, I will just do the where max date, max date equals to max of table date. Table is nothing but my the distinct values of my date I have selected, and this is how you can create. Now what is where, let's say previous 6 months. So previous 6 months equals to, there is one function called EO months that will, if you see by the definition, last day of the working and so on. So you can just read its documentation and you will understand how it can be used. So let's say I have to use the max date for this. How many months back we need to go? We need to go to 6 months. This is it. So first variable has been created. That is my, the another is the next 2 months. So next 2 months. Pardon for my spellings. Then for next 2 months, I have to just mention two. Now what I need the sum of sales, right? For that given for that range. So again, need to create a result where it will be you are created. So for this, what I will do, if is filtered. So if you are having a multi-select kind of a thing, that also fine. But right now I'm just using single select, so you can also ignore this thing. You can directly use this, but I'm just taking into consideration. Is filtered. What exactly is filtered? The table date, since we have used in the filter. Now what I need, if single selected value is there, then calculate the sum of sales. So how we can do these things? Let's do calculate sum of sales here. Then we need to filter the, for that, then we need to filter the sales data for this, and at what date range. So my date range should be like this. Sales date should be greater than my previous 6 month date, and it should be less than or equals to my next 2 months date. Correct. Hope you are able to follow me this rules for this. Now we are, if any single value is selected, then we have calculated the sales. Let's see if you have the multiple values, then what to do? Then you can just simply take the sum of sales, and this is done. So now we have the, for given selected range, we have the values. Now I will just take a return the this result. So whenever I will do this things, it's done. This has been done. Let's create the chart out of it. So what I can do, I will just first select the date. So it will be easy for you to understand. Let's say we have selected the first of, let's say first of September 2020. Let's say. Now if I go here, so we need to get date. Let's remove the quarter. Then we remove have this thing. Let me go this things. Here it is. So if you see, September has been selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 months back, and 1, 2, 2 months forward. So this is how for a given selected date, you can have that any range, like you can have 4 months, 2 months, 3 months. This has been very commonly using this practice we've been doing. And let's say it also takes care of the year also. Let's say if I change, let's say this is for only 2023, let's select the third month of 2024. If I select this thing, third month is nothing but the March. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. till October it goes for 2023 and 2 months ahead for the 2024, that is April and May. Hope you like this video and you can replicate the same thing whenever you will face this kind of a problem. Thank you so much. Follow for more Power BI update.